Hello again everyone, it's me, MadameMacabre, and welcome to another FX tutorial. Today we're going to be transforming into the Grinch. First thing, we're going to start out by applying a base coat of a light green to our entire face. I'll be using a beauty blender to apply mine. If your ears are going to be exposed at all, make sure to get them too. Oof, looking like we're about to get you, my pretty. Moving along, we're now going to use a darker green to begin contouring. Once you have everything looking how you want it, blend away. Perfect! Now we're ready for the next step. Mr. Grinch has far wilder brows than myself, so we're going to use an angled brush in black to compensate for this. Now that's more like it. Now let's go back to that deep green color and start working on the muzzle. Using the same color, we'll also start adding the wrinkles. Time to start blending again! This time I use both a beauty blender as well as a brush for the finer details. Alright, time to add that Grinch nose. And back to that deep green color once again. Okay, now we'll shade in some black for depth. Very nice. Let's add some more wrinkles now. Okay, let's get blending. And that should about do it. Now, to ensure the eyes don't smear away as we blink, let's set them in with some nice green eyeshadow. I'll be using a lighter lime green color, blending it into the corners and over my brows. Next up, we'll add highlights with white. Once you've finished that, you'll blend it all in. It's really starting to come together now. Just a few more steps. Of course the stupid camera went out of focus. Basically, just draw a line down from your nose to your top lip, then color your top lip green. There we go, back in focus. Now let's line them eyes. When you finish that, go ahead and blend it in. Now it's time to do our waterlines. Very nice. Can't forget the mascara. If you find yourself with some unwanted black on top of your lids, go ahead and take care of that before we move on. Now's the time for adding any finishing details. Next, we're going to apply a rosy pink lipstick to our bottom lip. And lastly, we'll add some whisker spots for a final touch. Perfect! Now all that's left is to get a little more into character, shall we? And with that, our Grinch look is complete. Go forth in your passive-aggressive drama queen glory. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial and maybe even learned something new. If you did enjoy the video, please consider leaving a like, as that really helps the channel. And if you're new, feel free to subscribe for more. Well, that's all the time I've got for today, so I'll see you all again next time. And until then, remember, stay creepy.